Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time with the Ramen Rater. This is the show where I show you what to do with your noodles. I've reviewed over 3,000 varieties, so I know a couple things about it. So today we have a bowl from Taiwan. It is TTL pickled vegetable beef. Look at that. Yeah. As people that I've known in the past and such would say, look at that beautiful bean footage. But I know they're not watching this. There you go. So, I should. Oh well. Retort pouch, paste, powder, Hua Diao cooking wine, noodle block. So we are going to put the powder in on top. There's our powder. Here's our paste. Remember, kneading like dough. You need to do this. Squirt that on top here. This goes on top like so. Push that out like that. And we're going to put the booze and the retort pouch contents in last, after these are steeped. And pour water up to the line. And cover it up for 3 minutes. And luckily, since this burner still is really hot, it's now off, but I'm going to, usually what you would do is open this lid halfway and then place the retort pouch on top. I'm going to just let it sit next to the burner. That'll do it right. That'll do it. Yeah. So, today is the first day of school for my son Andy. He's 13, 8th grade. Oh, God, I hated 8th grade. 8th grade was probably one of the worst years I ever had. Until 9th grade, yeah. But just like everything these days, got this newfangled deal with school. He gets to, he has like 2 classes physically in class, and then he has a program that he's doing now where he does the rest of it like online. So I like that, and I don't like that. I got messed with a lot in school, and it sucked. But now, looking back on it, there are certain aspects of that kind of shaped who I am, you know? Not in a, like, everyone's gonna mess with me kind of way, but more of a like, huh, Yeah, there's some jacked up people out there. It's kind of educational finding out how jacked up people can be. Yeah, I won't go into that any further, but yeah, he was having problems in school, and it's like, so hopefully it'll work out. We'll see what happens. Hoping the best for him. So I dedicate this review to my son. And what else is going on? Not much. We're all getting over our colds. My wife's back to work today. Miles is going to be starting school in a week from today. Oh my God. Whew. See, that's got me all freaked out, because it's like, I don't know. It's kind of scary just thinking, you're like, I know these people are professionals and they're very nice people and I've met them, but it's like, they're gonna be watching my kid for like 2.5 hours, plus somebody I really don't know extremely well is going to be driving him to this school and back on a bus of sorts. I think it's a bus. Probably a short bus, because it's for all these little kids, and I guess if they're under 40 pounds they have to be in a car seat, so it's got to be some kind of different kind of modus operandi for that. But yeah, when I'll do videos the day, I'll do review videos the day that happens, and honestly, you're gonna watch me like probably dropping stuff all over the place. So I'm like, yeah, so it's my kid's first day in school, and yeah, and so looks to be done. I am transferring it to Le Pâte. There we go. You know, I want to get more of this wonderful stuff that they include in here, so I will have to pull it out. Actually, it's coming out quite easily. So you can enjoy that as I do. And there we go. And now we're going to put in the sachet of cooking wine. I'll angle this down for you. And the retort pouch, which, well, it's warmer than when it started, I'll put it that way. Swizzle you a little bit. So this is the pickled vegetable beef one. I'm very curious about this. Also, again, I'm going to say it. Why aren't there companies doing these retort pouches and making really neat instant noodles here in the States? It's a bummer. You should do it. You really should. Oh, man. I lost my meat. I'm going to do like I did in the last one and try to corral some beef in this spoon. And then it'll look a little bit nicer. Now, I've had Taiwanese beef before, and it is freaking to die for. But my guess here is that we're looking at Australian beef. Because Taiwanese beef, I believe, is more expensive. But that's okay. Nothing wrong with Australian beef. When you look at the amount of space in Taiwan, you might be like, wow, they actually raise cattle there? That's amazing. There's so many people. Where do they find room for all the cows? Yeah, there is Taiwanese beef. I went to a hot pot restaurant when I was over there last November, and one of the claims to fame of this place was that the beef was so fresh. Come on, get out of there. Get it. Like, you could go there and the beef was like breathing like an hour before you ate it. I mean, it's like serious business. And oh boy, it was good. That's for sure. The stuff they do with beef over and pork over in Taiwan, and chicken. Braised meats in Taiwan are just phenomenal. Phenomenal. I could eat that for the rest of my life. God, what did I hear the other day? It was kind of funny. It was a little picture. And if you're a Donald Trump supporter, don't get all blah 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 on me for this one, but it was funny. And it said something like, the only thing Donald Trump knows about, or Donald Trump thinks AI is a steak sauce or something like that. Can't remember the exact line, but I thought that was pretty darn funny. Alright, now we got beef on top. There! It's a little better. Let's see. Yeah. And now, just like with the other ones, I'm not like gonna go full force on the garnish. I'm going with the crisp onions. So a little bit of them right there, I think. And some fresh scallion. And a little pepper flake. And I didn't taste this yet. So, we're going to go to the far end of the bowl and give it a try. Here's how the broth looks. This one's thicker. A small cut of beef. That's good. Bravo. That's braised beef, baby. I like that. I'm impressed. I've honestly been quite impressed with all of these varieties. So yeah. Well, alrighty then. This has been Ons the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, please click like. And if you do, then maybe you'll like to see some of these over here. I do, one of these videos comes out at 2 o'clock every day. I also do a show with my wife called The Chocolate Break, which comes out Thursdays And yeah, it's a lot of fun. And if you subscribe and click that notification bell, you'll get to see everything as soon as it comes out. So, with that, it's been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day, every day, every day, every day, every day. Have a good one, and bye.